Is your left AirPod Pro 3 not charging? Don't worry, you're not alone. Many users have reported this issue, which often stems from problems with the charging case pins or the AirPod contacts. Before considering a repair, let's try some quick fixes. These are the most common culprits behind charging issues. First, ensure your AirPods Pro 3 and charging case are running the latest firmware. Outdated software can sometimes cause charging inconsistencies. Next, visually inspect the gold-plated magnetic pins inside the charging case and the electrical contacts on the AirPod stem. Look for any signs of misalignment, corrosion, or debris buildup. If you see any dirt or debris, gently clean the case pins and AirPod contacts with a soft, dry, lint-free cloth or a cotton swab. For stubborn buildup, use a microfiber cloth dampened with isopropyl alcohol, but be careful not to get any liquid inside the AirPods. Once clean, try resetting your AirPods Pro 3. To do this, place both AirPods in the charging case, close the lid, wait 30 seconds, then press and hold the setup button on the back of the case for about 15 seconds until the status light flashes amber, then white. If these steps don't work, it could indicate a deeper hardware issue. Contact Apple support for warranty options or consider a certified third-party repair service. Regular cleaning and proper storage are key to preventing future charging problems.